Hi, I'm Anthony from Pest Protection Plus. Here's a quick video on how to set your humane wildlife trap. So focusing on the front of the trap itself, spin this towards you so you can see. We're going to simply lift the locking mechanism. At the same time, we're going to push back on the front of the door while we simultaneously pull the front of the trap up. We can let go of the locking mechanism, continue to pull the door up past the trigger. We'll focus on the trigger, pulling the trigger forward, setting it on the pin. We'll slowly lower the door, and now our trap is set. Once we have a suitable location set or idea in place, we'll get it in location, and finally, we'll place our trap cover back on top, allowing the animal to freely enter the front of the trap to the rear, stepping on the pan, and humanely being captured inside. If you like the content that you've witnessed here today, please hit subscribe at the bottom of the page.